I don't know why you done it.
Yeah, go on. Neither do I, mate. I don't know why you've done it either.
Thank you.
I'm driving down here responding to a G1, and now I can't because I'm dealing with you.
Yeah,
you could have killed me, mate.
Yeah,
An emergency response.
yeah. Sorry about that.
Look at the damage you've done to my car. No, look at the damage you've done to my car.
You don't have to
Look at that.
I know.
Yeah, that's now a car off the road, so this car can't respond to any emergencies.
I'm sorry.
Right, the time is 00:43, mate, and you're under arrest on suspicion of criminal damage. Do not say anything when we harm your defence. If you want to mention when questions, which you later relying in court. Anything you do say may be given in evidence.